As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil Performance Series 3 burner. Which one should I get?
Oh, interesting. Let's see, the Weber Q1200 is really portable, right?
Yeah, it's only 30 pounds. Perfect for tailgating.
Definitely. The Charbroil, though, is more of a stay-at-home grill. It doesn't list the weight exactly, but it's a full-sized cart grill, so it'll be heavier.
Okay, so portability is a big plus for the Weber. What about cooking space?
The Charbroil definitely wins there. It has 375 square inches of primary cooking space, while the Weber only has 189.
Wow, that's a big difference. I guess it depends on how many people I'm usually cooking for.
Exactly. The Weber is good for a small family, or just yourself, while the Charbroil can handle a larger crowd.
Got it. What about power?
The Charbroil has 3 burners totaling 27,000 BTUs, so each burner gives off 9,000 BTUs. The Weber only has 1 burner at 8,500 BTUs.
So the Charbroil can probably get hotter faster?
Probably. And it has cast iron grates, which retain heat well and give you nice grill marks. The Weber also has cast iron grates, but they're porcelain enameled.
Enameled. Sounds easier to clean, maybe?
It can be, yeah. But cast iron is great for searing. One thing to note is that the Charbroil is currently unavailable, while the Weber has only 11 left in stock.
Oh, that's good to know. Is there anything else that makes them different?
The Weber has an electronic ignition, but so does the Charbroil. The Weber uses those small, disposable propane cylinders, while the Charbroil uses a standard 20-pound tank.
Okay, so the Charbroil is probably cheaper to run in the long run.
Yeah, those little cylinders add up. It really boils down to portability versus cooking space and power.
Thanks. That really helps. I think I'm leaning towards the Weber for now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.